Alright, now we're down to nitty gritty. I never do this stuff on camera. I did that exactly backwards. That's dumb. Sean Kempter taught me that. It'd be nice if I could get that hook on there. Ha! I just realized I'm gonna have to put a. Oh, I'm not. Ah, cool. Okay. Oh. You can literally hear crickets right now. Sorry, this is kind of boring, but I worked like 12 hours, drove an hour and a half home. Took a few shots on this thing, wasn't happy with it. Started making videos. Alright. New rig. PVR deleted. She's cranked up, Captain. Good and clean. Shimmed. VKS spring. Wow. Got that little baby on there. Got that little baby right there. very important. Make sure that this is tight. Check that periodically, because that actually is helping hold that on there, helping hold your rig together. Okay, so all right, conch slides back on, and this is actually, most of the time it's not, but this one's a Phillips head. Don't over tighten it because you don't want to crack your comp. I've got this thing all finger bringing up. Oh, screw it. You guys know what it looks like clean. All right, so we got that. That is a VKS spring there too, so. Put that down in there. I gotta put homie's tip on here. So, if you're doing it, if you're not putting a like a bird cage on it or whatever, like one that fits flush, you wanna, if it's a flush one, you kind of have to stick your finger in there and do it that way. Always look down in here and make sure you see the 2 detents. So that'll let you know that you're lined up right. I did hear the click when that slid past. So basically what we would do at this point is test it. So I'm going to end this one now, and we'll do the other one separately.